2 years ago, Bitcoin crashed to $3,600 as the world faced uncertainty with the pandemic. Today, even during this bearish time, it is trading 10 times higher, with many altcoins also very profitable for early investors. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch and potentially buy this week, as well as some new altcoins that just listed and made some massive profits for their investors. So if you like altcoins and multiplying your money with cryptocurrency, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Let's get this video to 5,000 likes. If we do so, I will do a special giveaway for this community. So if you think Bitcoin is going to go up, smash up that like button and let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe, and every single day I make videos teaching you how to make money with cryptocurrency. So if you like money and you like crypto, click the subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with these new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. For time sensitive alerts, giveaways, and breaking news, make sure to follow me over on Twitter. And if you want to ask me your questions, make sure to follow me over on Instagram and click on my Instagram stories. I will answer as many questions as I can. And for even more content, make sure to follow me over on TikTok. Also, please know that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, I do own some of the cryptocurrencies that I will be discussing in this video. Alright, so today we have a very special video. As you can see, 2 years ago, since the beginning of the pandemic crash, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that you must know about Bitcoin this week, and the fact that we are still trading at $38,900 when literally 2 years ago, if we take a look at the chart, Bitcoin was literally sitting at $3,600. Now personally, I do not own a lot of Bitcoin, but I remember this day in particular. I wish I would have bought Bitcoin when it went down this low. Now the truth is, we are not out of the water just quite yet. Between Russia, China, inflation, and the Fed, there's a lot coming in the very near future. In fact, tomorrow on the Ides of March, we have some major decisions being made by the federal government. This week is going to be a very big week for cryptocurrency traders, as the Fed is expected to decide on a quarter-point rate hike. Also, Bitcoin and Ethereum have been virtually pegged to the S&P 500 in 2022, and these decisions should impact the cryptocurrencies greatly. And many others have been saying congratulations to anyone who bought the dip 2 years ago. This is truly legendary stuff, and I truly do believe that, because with cryptocurrency, when things seem to be the worst and everyone has maximum fear, this could be potentially the best time to be a buyer. Now, of course, you need to do your research. You should never risk more than you can afford to lose, and this is not financial advice, of course, but those who bought at the pandemic dip look like absolute geniuses today. But it is very important to know what might happen next. As you can see, the floor of the Bitcoin price of the accumulation phase was within 0 to 29 days of the last crosses. We had a cross 9 days ago, and if history were to repeat, this could mean Bitcoin could fall all the way down to $26,000. Now, I truly do believe that we will not go this low. However, anything is on the table with crypto, and with the current market sentiment impressing no one, many are speculating that it is hard to believe that the volume could go much lower, which means Bitcoin must be close to a bottom. And we even have massive holders like Elon Musk not selling his cryptocurrency here. You can see on his Twitter, he said, as a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge. So if Elon Musk, with 77 million followers and billions of dollars in cryptocurrency, is not selling down here, and as inflation has reached new all-time highs, are we going to have one last dip for crypto, or is the bottom already in? Let me know down below in the comments. But now it's time to get into the 5 cryptocurrencies to watch and potentially buy this week. Now again, I am not recommending you buy these cryptocurrencies. You need to do your research, but I wanted to share with you 5 here that Cointelegraph has highlighted, and in fact, these have done pretty well overall. The 5 cryptocurrencies to watch out for this week are going to be Bitcoin, Polkadot, Sandbox, 4chain Rune, and Zcash. Now first, we've already talked about Bitcoin, but it has remained relatively calm during the week, but tomorrow and this week, as we've mentioned, are going to be very pivotal to what's going to happen next. So I would make sure to be alert these next few days, as we may see some volatility. Now, Polkadot has been in a downtrend for the past several months, but the bulls are trying to form a bottom in zone between $16 and $14. The price did rise above the 20-day EMA to $17, but the bulls have not been able to overcome the barrier at the 50-day SMA of $18. However, there has been a positive sign that the bulls have not given up much ground from the 50-day SMA, and this suggests that traders may be holding onto their position, anticipating a break above the resistance. If this does happen, the Polkadot USD pair could rally overhead to approximately $23, where they may see some resistance by the bears. And if we just take a look at the chart, you can see we've definitely been in a downtrend, but if we go right back up and above, $23 would be a very nice place to potentially make some gains and take some profit. Now, your third cryptocurrency is Sandbox, and the Sand token has been ranging between $2 and $4 for the past several weeks. The bears have pulled the price below the 200-day SMA of $3.15 on March 4th, but have not been able to break the support level of $2.55. If the price does rise from its current levels, the bulls will try to push the Sand token above the 200-day SMA, which is right around $3.51. A break above this could rally to approximately $4.50 and then $4.86. If you don't know what the Sandbox token is all about, it is one of the biggest metaverses today, and as I'm a huge believer in the metaverse not only now but also in the future, this could definitely be a cryptocurrency to take a look at. Now, Thorchain Rune has also seen some very nice movement in the last few days. In fact, if you take a look, we have definitely broken and confirmed, and it looks like we're heading right around to the $7 to $8 mark. But if the price does turn down, a break could go all the way back down to the $4 level mark. But it looks like the bulls are fully in control, as Thorchain is sitting at $7.47. And as you can see, it is a top trending cryptocurrency at the time of this recording on CoinGecko. And this is a very nice breakout coming all the way from $3 in February. You could have doubled your money. The fact that Thorchain went all the way as high as $20 shows me that there could be some more room to the upside in the long run. Zcash is also in a nice little uptrend, breaking its resistance of $135 and now right around $140 to $150. Now, if the bears do attempt a breakdown, the level could be right around $135 yet again. But the fact that we're seeing some green in the market, especially with things like Terra Luna up 16% overall in the last 7 days, and Polkadot even up while the whole market has been really trading sideways or down, shows me that this could be one last shakeout before we ultimately reverse trend and start moving back towards the upside. But speaking of cryptocurrencies that have made a nice splash and just launched today, I shared with you in yesterday's video, ADA Lend being a next 100x altcoin gem. Well, this cryptocurrency did not do 100x out of the gate, but it did do more than 34x, going all the way to $34 before crashing all the way down to approximately $4. Right now, at the time of this recording, it is sitting right around $5 to $6, and we are seeing a lot of volatility with this coin. This is natural with a lot of new cryptocurrencies, especially when we have been in a downtrend with a lot of the other cryptocurrencies and altcoins. If you would have been one of the first ones to get this cryptocurrency, or if you would have been in the pre-sale, congratulations, you're sitting on 6 times your money at the time of this recording. A simple $100 investment would now be worth over $600, and many of my students who are in my online class have been very profitable and very happy with the results, even in a bear market. If you're interested in learning exactly how to get into these pre-sales or be one of the first ones to buy these cryptocurrencies as soon as they hit the market, click the links down below to join us in our online class today. We have a massive 75% discount for you. As I've mentioned, many of my students have earned thousands of dollars paying for the cost of the class itself and then sitting in some very nice profits. Which leads us to our last altcoin gem that I'm going to be sharing with you here in this video, which will be launching soon. We don't have a time and date yet. That is going to be Polypad. Now, Polypad is going to be a merger. What's happened is KCCPad and TronPad have not had a lot of IDOs, but there are going to be a lot more IDOs coming on the Polygon network, and so the Bluezilla team is combining these together, and I think there are going to be some big things coming for this incubator and launchpad. And one of my favorite things about this is that this is going to be a fair launch. That means there's no IDO, no private sales. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can get this cryptocurrency on the open market. And there's also going to be a few other details and nuances and questions that you're going to have that I'm going to share with you right now. First, how is Polygon different from KCC and Tron? In the last 2 years, Polygon has seen exceptional growth, especially in its dApp library, user base, and development sphere. And because this is a merger of all of these projects together, the Bluezilla team has decided that with the existing user base, community, and its investors, not to raise funds for Polypad and instead reward their loyal community. In line with having a no fundraiser at all, there will not be an IDO for Polypad, rather Polypad is going to be listed as a fair launch. Now again, we do not know when the launch date is going to be. However, I believe it will be happening in the very near future. So make sure, smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on these time-sensitive details and alerts so that you can get these new cryptocurrencies before anyone else and potentially make some very nice profits and gains. So there you have it. Those are your 5 cryptocurrencies plus a bonus altcoin for you to keep an eye on this week. Let me know down below in the comments. Are you bullish or are you bearish? And will you be buying or selling altcoins? And if you want to join our exclusive VIP community, click the links down below for our online class. You will also receive a massive 75% off discount, but hurry as this offer will not last forever. Many of my students have made thousands of dollars applying the teachings in the class, and we've even had one student become a cryptocurrency millionaire and quit their job. So if you are interested in this exclusive offer, click the links down below and join us today. Thanks again for all of your support. And if you want to continue learning with me here on YouTube for free, check out my cryptocurrency playlist. I have multiple 100x gem videos, 3 coins to 3 million, educational tutorials, and so much more. And make sure to check out the next video. I handpicked it just for you.